I've heard people say that the new truck is like the modern minivan, which for a minivan lover, that's really insulting. I think they get that from the amount of space that's in a new crew cab truck. We are not experiencing that right here in this 2021 Ram Laramie. It's an interesting one. It's actually a theft recovery out of Minnesota, 118,000 miles. It's gonna be under 20 grand. It's four-wheel drive and it's loaded, but it only has these short little doors. And as you can see, not a lot of leg room. So if you aren't carting around a lot of people or all your friends are really short, this is the truck for you. It's located in Wayland.